Welcome. In today's guide, we'll walk through the quick and easy steps to disable notifications for the X app on your Android device. Whether you're tired of constant pings or just want a little extra peace and quiet, this method will help you take control of your phone's alerts. First, unlock your phone and head to your settings. You can usually find the Settings app on your home screen or in your app drawer. Next, scroll down and select Apps. This section contains all the applications installed on your device. Once inside, search for the X app from the list and tap on it. Inside the app's settings page, look for the Notifications option and select it. This is where you can manage the different types of alerts the app can send you. From here, tap on Notification Categories. This will display a list of specific types of notifications the app sends, which may include things like messages, updates, or alerts. Now, at the top of the screen, you should see an option labeled Allow Notifications. Simply toggle this switch off. The button will usually change color or move position, showing that notifications have been disabled. And that's it. From now on, the X app will no longer send alerts to your phone, keeping your status bar clear and your focus uninterrupted. If you ever decide you want them back, just follow the same steps and toggle notifications on again. Taking a few moments to customize your notification settings can make a big difference in reducing distractions and helping you maintain your phone just the way you like it. With these steps, you can ensure that only the most important notifications get your attention. Remember, you can use this same method for other apps that send too many alerts. By managing your notifications, you're making your device work better for you, rather than constantly demanding your attention. Enjoy the quiet and happy customizing.